Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Angie and I'm coming at you with another video. This is a requested video, as you can tell from the title. More in depth of my palette collection. They wanted to see the inside of the palettes. So we're going to get started. This is my Naked 3 replica palette. And this is how that looks on the inside. I dropped it and broke one of them. My Profusion Night Fever 10 eyeshadow palette. And this is how that looks on the inside. My Bear palette I had got from Style My Curves by Kira. It's a Profusion palette. And this is how that looks on the inside. Profusion Sultry and Neutrals palette. And this is how that looks on the inside. It's kind of like that Bear palette I just showed you. My e.l.f. Neutral palette. And this is how that looks on the inside. The Modiza palette. It's 39 shades and 3 blushes. And this is how that looks on the inside. Hope you all can see. And I have the Color Workshop palette. I got this for Christmas probably about 4, 5, 6 years ago. This is the bottom layer. And then the eyeshadows. This is an Avon palette. It's khaki craze. This is how that looks. The Mary Kay palette. This is how that looks on the inside. My Mark palette. This is how that looks on the inside. My Mary Kay Signature palette. This is how that looks on the inside. This is an Avon Mocha Latte palette. And this is how that looks. It's just like a neutral palette. This is an Avon Caribbean Sunset Quad palette. This is how that looks. This is an Avon Vibrant Spice palette. This is how that looks. This is the Purple Pop palette from Avon. This is an Avon Electric Purple palette. This is the Denim Blues palette from Avon. This is the Green Flash quad from Avon. And this is the Earth Tone colors from Avon. This is a palette I got from the beauty supply store. And this is how that looks. This is an old Avon. It's like an old True Color palette. This is a True Color palette. It's Avon. These are Avon palettes, y'all. Also, I have the Huntress palette I got from a beauty supply store. I got it from Houston last year when I went out there, 2 years ago or something when I went out there. But these are the colors. This is my Mary Kay bronzer palette. Old Mary Kay palette. And then I have this one. It's a pale pink. And that concludes this video. If you want to see more in depth of something that I did not show, leave your comments down below. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I do subscribe back. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day.